Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically insert decimal point in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and first of all we need to go to the Microsoft Excel options. We can click on the files menu and then select more and then select options. Then here we can choose advanced. Okay, and here guys you will be able to activate the automatic insert a decimal point. You just need to activate this feature if you want to automatically insert a decimal point to your data. I'm going to click on this checkbox. Okay, and then we can choose how many places we want. For example, I want 2 places. Okay, and then don't forget to click on the OK button to save the setting. Alright, and I'm going to try to input data. Okay, as you can see guys, that the decimal places have been added automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to automatically insert decimal point in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!